Today's story is called Farmer John's Tractor by Sally Sutton. Farmer John's tractor lies locked in the shed, rusty yet trusty and orangey red. That winter the rain comes. It rains and it rains. It fills up the river and blocks up the drains. The river banks break. It's a flood. Water swirls. It rushes and gushes and spurts and it twirls. From down the river there comes a great shout. Please help! Our car's stranded. We can't get out. But Farmer John's tractor lies locked in the shed, rusty yet trusty and orangey red. From far down the roadway, the jeep's coming near. It speeds through the water. The girls give a cheer. But how could they guess what these deep waters hide? A rock with a splash, the jeep rolls on its side. Along comes the tow truck, as strong as it can be. Hold fast, calls the driver. I'll soon set you free. But look how its wheels spin around in the muck. It sinks ever deeper. Its tow truck is stuck. The girls clamber onto the roof of the car. The water's still rising. How frightened they are. And Farmer John's tractor lies locked in the shed, rusty yet trusty and orangey red. A fire engine's coming. It's noisy and fast. Its siren is wailing. Its horn gives a blast. It speeds round the hillside, but right on the dip, it slams to a halt. On the road is a slip. The fire engine's useless. It has to reverse. The crew's looking worried. The flood's getting worse. Still, Farmer John's tractor lies locked in the shed, rusty yet trusty and orangey red. The girls start to shake and to quake and to sob. Oh, surely there's someone who's up to the job. What's this? Farmer John's by the shed with a key. He unlocks the padlock. The tractor is free. It grunts, then it splutters and starts with a roar. And Farmer John's tractor chugs out of the door. The girls see him coming, but how can they trust this clanky old tractor all covered in rust? At last, Farmer John pulls up right by their side. Hop on, squeeze together, let's go for a ride. Then Mum and Dad cheer and the girls shout, hooray! Thanks, Farmer John's tractor, you've rescued the day. They're safe and they're happy and free from all harm. So Farmer John's tractor chugs back to the farm. Never again to be locked in the shed, rusty yet trusty, and orangey red. The end.